So the refrigerator is the only appliance in the home that we always buy the extended warranty for it because it's not if the ice maker is going to break, it's when the ice maker breaks, and my family loves their ice. So recently, the ice maker broke once again, but this time I was sure it was out of warranty. We've had it for a number of years, and so I was preparing myself for the cost of having somebody come out, diagnose it, and fix it, or the hours we spend trying to fix it ourselves, and then inevitably having to pay somebody to come out and fix it for us. Those thoughts didn't last long because as soon as I brought up the refrigerator in under my roof, I saw immediately that we had 144 days left on the extended warranty. So I immediately got on the phone and requested a service for it. And because I had everything I needed to request that service, including the phone number, the receipt with the proof of purchase, the serial number, the make, the model, right there in front of me. The phone call was short and sweet, and Lowe's took it from there. And believe it or not, within 1 week, we had a wonderful local company, Virginia Electronics, that they sent over. The ice maker was fixed, repaired, and back working just in time for summer.